Well, good day everyone, and thanks to all who submitted an entry into the Name My Tractor contest. The Chuck Wagon was suggested several times and was my favorite. The winning mug goes to Terry J, who was the very first person to suggest this most suited name. Oh, and by the way, I really have enjoyed tractors from a very early age. Thanks again, everyone.
Well, I managed to find a spot that was big enough for the tank, but I tell you, there's lots of sandy soil here in Labrador, but I managed to find the rocks. But I'm comfortable now with the fact that she'll sit right there. So now I'm just going to make a little channel up here. This will be the intake up here. Little channel for that pipe, of course, and I'll put my leach field back here. Seriously, what did I ever do with a tractor? How did I make it? What's your guys' names?
Evan.
Evan, and what's your name?
Luke.
Luke? Yeah, you guys watch the channel, do you?
Yeah.
Good. Well, you're going to be on one of the videos now, so stay tuned to the next one. You excited about that? I think you're more excited about Willow. So I had a cabin neighbor who said he needed some water in his water tote. So I told him I would fill it up for him to try out my new pump system. All right, here's what I got made up. Because I'm going to try it anyway. I'm going to draw water from my lake. I'm going to put the pump out in the lake and pump the water up to my cabin. So we've tried this with a buddy of mine's cabin before, and it worked fine. Now the challenge is to get this to work and to work all winter long. So I'm going to put it in the lake a long ways. It's a 1 horsepower submersible pump, and I just dressed it up with some of this glow. This is when you shine a light out and it glows up, and of course this is easy for me to see because once I put it out in the lake, it's going to be down in the water for maybe 10 or 12 feet down, and if I want to go over it in my boat or whatever, I want to be able to reach down with a gaff or something and pick it up, and of course those things will help me see it. I got it elevated off the bottom so it doesn't strike the sandy bottom, and I also put that tray on there to keep it from settling down over time, and I just got this put there for now, something to kind of keep it down in place. So I'm going to hook up some water line to it, throw it out in the lake, start it up using a generator, portable generator, and pump some water up my buddy's tote. This is going to be fun. What you got there? Give me a stick, you. I'm just gonna normally use a hose clamp here, but I'm just gonna push it on like that for now, just for this trial run. So that took about 7 or 8 seconds. That's 100 feet. This is the tote we gotta fill up, so that's a pretty good flow there, right? All right, let's put it up in the tank. All right, let's time this for fun. This is 250 gallons, I think, or maybe 300 gallons. So we'll see how long it takes to fill up. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. It's a full, the pipe is full diameter water and shooting out with force, so it's pretty good. I'll actually be able to calculate how many gallons per minute I'm going to get here too. Now that's 100 feet of hose, and I'm thinking I'm going to need about 100 to 125 maybe at my spot, so this is a pretty good trial run. It's at 50%. That's a 2,000 watt generator, so that's a rough judgment, about 1,000 watts this pump is taking. So of course this pump is meant to be used, you know, if you got water in your basement or down your well, you want to pump it out or something. It's totally submersible. That's my spot there. I'm going to have it out probably here somewhere, so it's deep enough that ice doesn't interfere with it in the winter time. Now with this pump, once you put the power on, it pushes the water up, but the second you turn the power off, all the water runs back down into the lake again, because I don't want to have any water held up in my pipe wintertime. Now, of course, there is a significant challenge, because when it comes down from my land to the water's edge is that section where it's going to be encased in ice. You can't avoid that. Not that I know of anyway. If any of you guys have any ideas on that, let me know. But I will have heat trace on it as well, plus insulation. Now that's only in about 2 feet of water there now, but you can see that there's no trouble to see those reflective strips there. So, you know, if I do have to pull it up for some reason in the summer, I'm going to leave it out all summer. I'm going to set it up over my place probably today or sometime this week. I'll leave it out all summer, and I'll try it occasionally, pump some water, and see how it goes. All right, that's the verdict. About 21 minutes to fill up, and I looked at it, I did the calculations, it's nearly 300 gallons. So we'll say we'll even off 300 gallons divided by 21 minutes equals about 14 gallons a minute. It's pretty good. So inside of my cabin, I'm going to have a tote of some sort, maybe 50 or 100 gallons. So if I had a 100-gallon tote inside my cabin, it'll only take about 7 minutes to fill it up. 100 gallons of water is a lot of water. If I have a 50 gallons, it's only going to take 3 or 4 minutes to fill it up. I'm going to continue on with the leaching field with the tractor. I'm not going to waste any time. Melanie's going to split up this wood here. Because that was a lot of digging, and again, this is brand new to me, so this was a great learning experience for me. I got to try out my water system. That seems to be working good. It's a huge challenge when it comes to water and sewer when you live in the north, because wintertime everything freezes, so you have to devise a system and kind of outsmart that if you can, and that's what I'm trying to do. Again, guys, I'm just, you know, no expert at this, just learning as I go. You know, I've had an off-grid cabin here for 20 years, and these are challenges. But I'm doing my best, and we're going to give it a try. Good girl. Go up here. Up here. Sit. Sit. Good girl. So until next time, guys, take care of each other, get outside, and enjoy everything outdoors. We'll see you next time. Think we'll see him next time? Big